So here we have this grill replacement grease tray with the catch pan. So it comes with this plastic over all three of them. So you gotta take it off. So let's remove that and let's put it together. So the screws for these come in a Ziploc inside of that bag with the other screws. So this is for the pan underneath. So the pan just slides in. So I attached the handles. That's the screws with the little nut in the back. And you could put it on either side because it has two holes on this side and two holes on this side. So put on this side. Now let's attach this piece all together. So this is how it looks once it's all assembled. You got two screws here, two screws here, two here, the handles, two here, and the handles. And this is adjustable, so you could open and close it depending on the size of your grill. So this one's extended, this one's closed, so you could just slide it, make it smaller. So let's put it on a barbecue and show you how it looks once it's installed. Okay. All right, so this is the old drip pan, which I took off this barbecue, and this is a new one, which is adjustable. So I just measured that one and got the measurement for this one. So all you do is slide it back in, sits in place. There you go.